Good morning. So today is August 13th, 2018, and today's refinishing project is located in Brentwood, California. So let's check out what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so we have this steel porcelain overlay tub that we're going to be refinishing today. The customer replaced the surround from tile to this new cultured marble surround here, and they decided to keep the tub in order to save money in that area. So basically what we're going to be doing is fully prepping and refinishing this bathtub today. Okay, so we just finished up the bathtub here in Brentwood, California. Let's have a look. Looks really nice and shiny. As soon as the tub's dry, the customer is going to go ahead and install new shower doors on this, and once those are installed, it's ready for use at that point. I'll show you the surround here. Okay, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.